Everyone is chasing something: power, wealth, recognition, freedom. But there's only one thing that gets you there: a decision. Never give up. In the world we live in, when it comes to success, there's one absolute law: those who quit die. Those who refuse to get back up die. Those who stop moving forward die. At THERA, we open your eyes with every episode, showing you what it truly takes to achieve whatever you desire. Everything you see is real. Everything you feel becomes a part of who you are. We become what we consume.